Futures is a derivative trading product that can hedge risks and expand returns by using leverage. The following is a brief introduction to the trading page of XT Futures. Step 1. Open the XT app. Step 2. Select the futures you wish to trade. USDTM futures are positive futures. USDT is used as margin in the settlement of profit and loss. CoinM futures are negative futures. The corresponding cryptocurrency is used as margin in the settlement of profits and losses. If BTC is used as margin, then the profit and loss settlement page is based on BTC. Step 3. You need to know that XT currently provides a two-way position opening mode. In this mode, one futures order can hold long and short positions in two directions at the same time. The position risk is placed in different directions in the same futures to be hedged. Set margin mode. There are two margin modes, cross mode and isolated mode. Reset leverage. The leverage ratio depends on position magnitude. The larger the nominal position value is, the lower the leverage ratio can be obtained. The higher the multiple, the greater the risk. Step 4. Transfer funds to the futures account. If you wish to trade USDTM futures, please transfer to a USDTM futures account. If you wish to trade CoinM futures, please transfer to CoinM futures account. Step 5. Place an order to open. XT supports orders with various types. You can view the use of different order types in Futures Information Futures Guideline. Now let's buy BTC by opening long with market price. Enter quantity. Here is the amount of margin required to open a position. Here are the advanced settings. You can take profit and stop loss. And set your TP/SL price for this position. Click buy/long button and place an order to open. Step 6. Check position profit and loss. All your positions are shown here. You can view the estimated liquidation price for the current position in real time, position margin, unrealized profit and loss, etc. Step 7. Close. You can close the position by selecting market close or limit close on the position section directly. You can also close position in the order. Click short close. The above is the whole process of completing futures transaction. Thanks for watching and wish you a happy trading.